CoolersOnSale.com here for a review of the Koolatron 12-volt plug-in cooler. This cooler is unlike any other cooler that we've tested in that it doesn't use ice. It actually plugs into a 12-volt cigarette lighter and chills the inside. So we get a lot of questions: how cold will the inside of that cooler actually get? The Koolatron is rated to bring the internal temperature 40 degrees below ambient. So if you're in 100 degrees, that could be 60 degrees inside. I've actually tested this because I wanted to know how quick does it cool and how quick does it warm up, because this also warms in addition to cooling. It took about an hour to bring the temperature down from 90 degrees to 40 degrees below, and I actually saw as much of a gap of 58 degrees, so it brought it to 58 degrees below ambient. It warmed up quicker than it brought the temperature down. So another question that we get a lot is, why would I want a 12-volt cooler over a cooler that I use ice in? Well, there's a couple reasons. Most notably, this cooler doesn't use ice, which is the obvious one, right? But for us, especially in Florida, there's nothing better than a public sub. You go and get a public sub and you throw it into your cooler with ice. I don't care if it's even sitting on a rack, it's gonna get soggy. That's not gonna happen in your 12-volt cooler. Another reason we like this is because we travel a lot in our travel trailer behind us, and once those slides are in on that travel trailer, we can't get to our refrigerator. So if we have a long day of travel, we wanna make lunch and we can't get into our travel trailer, we throw the lunch in here. I'll show you on the inside because we've done that today. So it helps us to control what we eat. We don't have to stop at one of the chain restaurants along the way. So these are perfect for truckers, for overlanders, anyone that doesn't want to use ice in their cooler. Another benefit of this particular model is you can mount it any way you want. It doesn't have to be sitting upright. It can be laying on its side, whichever way that you want to use it. So I'll go ahead and show you on the inside of how this cooler looks, how it works. The first thing I want to show you is where the power is coming from. So this is the connection to the 12 volt. So you can see there's a little arrow right here and it's pointing to this blue dot. That means that we're cooling, and all you have to do is unplug this and switch them around and put the red dot like this up against this arrow, and you have gone from cooling to warming. I'll show you right now. We are reading 98 degrees on the surface of this cooler and 52 degrees on the inside. So we're actually more than 40 degrees below ambient. So I'll look on the inside. It's just a little latch here to get onto the inside, and we have our lunch in here. So you can fit, this is 29 quarts, which will hold 48 cans. It will also hold a 2-liter bottle of soda upright. So plenty of room on the inside, and again, it keeps it relatively cool in there. This is perfect for us to eat lunch. It's just like a refrigerator would be in our travel trailer, so it's about the same. Anyways, just wanted to give you a quick show of the Koolatron P27 Voyager. We have a full write-up of this model as well as other 12-volt coolers on CoolersOnSale.com. I'll link to that in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up. It's what helps us to keep going, and we'll be back next time with more videos.